Hey y'all, today I made 0-calorie Southern sweet tea. I love sweet tea, and this version lets me enjoy it
So messy
without all the extra sugar and calories. Ugh.
You want to try that again?
bruh.
To begin, I filled a cooking pot with water, leaving it about an inch from the top. Next, I placed the pot on the stove, added a gallon-sized tea bag to the water, and turned the heat on high. I brought the water to a boil, and right as it started boiling, I took the pot off the heat. Boiling the tea bag too long can cause a tea bag eruption. Just ask me how I know.
How do you know?
Long story, I'll tell you later.
I let the tea steep for about an hour. To sweeten my tea, I used 4 cups of off-brand Splenda.
Says it causes cancer.
They also said that artificial sweeteners were safe.
After the tea finished steeping, I removed the tea bag from the pot and poured the hot tea into my pitcher. Then I added the tea bag back into the pot and added a little cold water. I wanted to get as much tea flavor out of that tea bag as possible. And the cold water also helps cool the tea down a little bit. After pouring the remaining tea into the pitcher, I pressed the tea bag to squeeze out all the trapped tea. Then I gave everything a good stir. Because the tea was still really hot, I left it sitting on the counter to cool down before putting it in the refrigerator. Alright y'all, that's how I make 0-calorie Southern sweet tea. Drink up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I'm like, oh, you healthy, huh? Okay. That's good, man. That's good for you. I bet you've got skills. But that's not what this is about. No, man, me and my friends, everybody, we all here because we got diseases. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, fatty liver. We're not here to play games. We're here to delay death.